Testing version 599. Where is the next button here? Remember that you have to record the dialogue so the next frame will be created automatically. Still, the lack of this button affects those creators who want to start with all the visuals. So far, the only solution is to copy the last frame and record a dialogue. At least, this is faster than copying every frame. This is more common when you delete the last frame. So, avoid deleting the last frame. So this issue was not corrected. Problems with speech bubbles. Again. On top of that, slow processing. I have reported problems with the eyes of some characters.
Are you talking about me?
No, it's talking about me.
Now I have to report my own eyes. Because I don't look to the other side when there are problems. And this is the problem. Because the information is not specific enough, they create high expectations and disappointment. Exporting time has increased, and the exported video always plays the music from frame 1. After all, I couldn't find what was fixed. But I got many more issues. The long press function to delete files is not working yet. It's not possible yet to create very short frames using the imported audio function on Reels. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching.